What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Add one set of parentheses to make the following equation true. So right now we have 8 plus 16 divided by 4 plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 9. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play and I'll give you the explanation. So when looking at a problem like this, we have to remember order of operations from PEMDAS, which says that division and multiplication are going to happen before addition and subtraction. So that means that these two division operations will happen first from left to right. So 16 divided by 4 is 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2, and then we're going to carry out the remaining addition. 8 plus 4 plus 2 is going to give us 14, which is of course not equal to 9. So we need to change the order in which things are happening. So we're going to take a look here. Now, if we see everything happening from left to right, the division is naturally going to happen first. We probably want to change it so that some sort of addition is happening first. So if we group these two together, what happens is we're going to do 4 plus 4 first, which is 8. Next, we're going to do division, but we're doing division from left to right? So we're going to do this division first. 16 divided by 8 is 2. And then this division next, 2 divided by 2 is 1. And then we're left with 8 plus 1, which is indeed 9. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. We'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.